Eastwood offers a brand new line of rechargeable COB LED lights, and there are some great options in that lineup. If you're looking for a light that combines power with a small form factor and a lot of other benefits, like a magnetic 180-degree swivel base, a hook mounting option, 3 brightness settings, all packed into a form factor that's able to get into the tighter spots that you need light, you need to check out the Eastwood Rechargeable COB LED Palm Light. Now, this light features a 2-setting COB LED on the front that will output 320 or 160 lumens, and you also get a third smaller regular LED on the top that will throw out about 60 lumens, which is a little bit less light than the COB lights, but a great added bonus for a little bit of extra flexibility, and that lower setting is a little bit easier on the battery as well. Speaking of the battery, this features an internal 3.7 volt, 1400 milliamp hour lithium poly battery that will last between 2.5 to 6 hours depending on what light setting you're on. The battery will take about 2.5 hours to charge from dead to full with the included 39-inch micro USB wall charger. Now, a huge feature is that this has a magnetic 180-degree rotating base and a hook attachment at the top. This has a plastic ABS housing, a clear polycarb lens, rubber buttons, and rubber seals over the charging port, which makes this Palm Light IP20 moisture resistant, which is great for the occasional spill. Built for the garage environment, and that proves it. Again, Eastwood offers a whole line of rechargeable COB LED lights. I have a buyer's guide posted with all them. If you're looking to compare them individually, make sure you check that out. But if you're looking for a powerful light that fits into a form factor that could go right into the palm of your hand and get into those tighter spots, this is going to be the option for you. Now remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. All you have to do to be entered is subscribe, so make sure you subscribe for that. Also, check out our channel. We post tons of great how-to content over there that you're gonna want to see. We'll have the Palm Light link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.